Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to weld the white COB LED strip. This video includes two parts. Part 1. How to cut the LED strip shorter and solder the LED wires. The tools and materials required are the following: soldering wire, constant temperature soldering iron, constant voltage power device, scissors, heat blower, LED wires, heat shrink tube, COB LED strip. After preparation, we trimmed the red and black wires, then trimmed the COB Led strip, and then welded the wires to the two pads of PCB respectively. After finished the welding, put a transparent heat shrink sleeve on the welding area, and then heat it with a hot air gun until the sleeve shrinks. To ensure the welding is tight, we can perform a pull testing, and then use a constant voltage power device to light up the COB LED strip. Part 2. How to extend an COB LED strip. For convenience of display, we took a long LED strip and cut it into two pieces. Firstly, add solder tin to the pads of PCB, then align LED strips and put them together, to join together by soldering iron. As same as before, we need to perform a pull testing, and then use a constant voltage power device to light up the COB LED strip. Thanks for watching. Welcome to subscribe to my channel.